Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to upload multiple photos on TikTok. First of all, after you open up your TikTok app, all you have to do now, tap on this plus button. After you tap on this plus button, allow it to finish loading. So as you can see now, here tap on this upload button. So now it will take you to your phone. You can be able now to see all your phone videos and photos. All you have to do now, tap on this photo section. So as you can see now, here is all my photos on my phone. All you have to do now, go and select the photos that you want to upload. As you can see now, let's say I want to upload these photos, these two photos. So all you have to do now, tap on the photo you want to upload. Let's say I want to upload this one. As you can see now, if you select the photo, it will give you this red mark as 1, 2. As you can see now, it just select as I select the photos. Now it just marking the photos 3. So as you can see now, I select 3 photos. So all you have to do now, here it says 3. So tap on this next button. So after you tap on this next button, allow it to finish loading. So as you can see now, here is my photos. As you can see now, I can be able now to slide it up. So as you can see now, here is now my photos. As you can see now, so to upload the photos, all you have to do now, don't leave it in this section, don't leave it on under photo section. Tap on this videos, change it to videos in this section. So if I change it to videos, as you can see now the slide will be sliding by itself automatically without just using my hand. So tap on this next button. So as you can see now here is my video, here is my photos. Now type in your description in this section and tap on this next post button to post it on your TikTok account. So as you can see now, here is it. Now it's uploading my photos that I just selected now. So now it finished uploading my photos. So now if I, as you can see now it just opened the photos for me. As you can see now, here is the photos. It just sliding by itself. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.